Hey everyone, Dr. Crank here at Waco Animal Hospital. Today we're going to be talking about how you can prepare to adopt a puppy.
All right, Dr. Crank, what is the most important thing to know about raising a puppy?
So, commitment and time. So puppies are going to be around. They're going to turn into adult dogs. They're not going to stay little puppies forever. So you have to realize that. It is something they're going to turn into big puppies at some point or another, and eventually adults and then senior dogs. So you need to make sure that you have not only the willingness to commit to that and to that time and make sure that you're putting in the effort, but also the budget for it as well.
All right, so what should I consider before adopting or buying a puppy?
So you do want to consider the breeds that you are interested in and how they match up with your lifestyle. So if they are ones that they are a very energetic breed, make sure that your lifestyle is pretty active. Because if you have a more sedate type lifestyle, you may be in for a rude awakening as far as how much energy your puppy has.
So what should I look for in a puppy?
It really depends upon what kind of lifestyle you have and what kind of breed you're looking for as far as a small breed or a large or giant breed. It's certainly something that you want to make sure that the puppy's personality kind of matches with what you're able to do for them. And then also it is something that's important to make sure how big they're going to be whenever they're an adult. And I know that can be a little hard if you're getting from a shelter or a rescue. They may not really know what they are. And so making sure that you are overall getting that approved and knowing that the puppy will not be kind of messing with any housing or anything like that that you have going on. All of that is something you have to take into consideration whenever looking at them.
So how can I puppy-proof my house?
So it's similar to baby-proofing your house. Anything they can get into or chew on, you need to get up out of harm's way. So shoes, dirty laundry, anything like that that they could inadvertently chew on and destroy or ingest. Same thing with chemicals, toxins, anything like that that they can actually get into. The trash, you want to get a trash can that they can't flip the lid up on. If you have cabinets that are pretty easy to open or push open, definitely want to get child locks on those. Anything that you can think of that a child could get into that could be harmful, certainly you have to puppy proof as far as your puppy.
Is it possible to care for a puppy while working full-time?
So it is. People do it every day. It is definitely a big commitment. You certainly want to make sure that you can provide that puppy with the appropriate time once you are home from work because they are going to need training. They are going to need to be able to be let out during the day sometimes. So if you have a really small puppy, you have to keep that in mind that you may need to be going home during your lunch to actually let them out just because they won't be able to hold it as far as needing to urinate or have a bowel movement. So that may be something to consider as far as getting maybe a little older puppy or an adult dog instead.
So how long can a puppy be left alone?
So it really depends on how old they are, but most of the time I usually say that a puppy will need to be let out as far as to urinate. Based on their month of age, they usually only have about 1 to 2 hours per month of age that they can hold their bladder.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.